Now, after we log into the ThreatModeler app and type in our credentials, the very first thing you will see is a list of active threat models within your own department. There are three ways you can create a threat model on our platform. You can import one of our existing templates. If you've done threat modeling before, you can import those files directly onto our platform. And lastly, you can start off with a blank canvas to personalize the diagram to your specific needs. Now, the first way we are going to talk about is importing the template. So you'll start off with create new and then go for import templates. Now you can see you can use any one of our out of the box templates, and these are working threat model across different categories like AWS, we see Azure, and many of our business use case scenario we have made available. But as you're creating multiple threat models, you may run into a repeatable pattern. And that that is why we allow you to create your own personalized or customized template of that pattern. So you don't have to create it each time from scratch. In that case, you can use your customized template for your specific needs.